Hey everybody, quick episode of TJ's Garage. Today, just a quick thing, couple notes about Ranger 1000 XP 2018. Quick oil change. Okay. You're going to go around the back, you're going to tilt your bed. And the oil filter is going to be tucked right back in here. Okay, this is where your oil filter goes, so don't look underneath, don't look on the side. It's on top of the motor, right at the air filter intake. Okay, here's your air filter, I'm sorry, your throttle body or your belt intake right here. It's going to be tucked right behind the heat shielding for your exhaust manifold. Okay, here's your oil fill right on top of the valve cover. And we'll just show you where the drain plug is. It's underneath. 6mm hex head bit. And that will be right under here. Right there. Okay? Make sure you wipe it off. Make sure you replace the crush washer. Copper crush washer, that's a 6mm hex head. Okay. The Amazon kit comes with a couple quarts, oil filter, and crush washer. And if I can find the kit, I would show it to you in the mess, but oh, here we go. 1 second. Very early to be doing this. Not even awake yet. Okay, so here's the Amazon kit right here. It's Polaris, OEM Polaris oil change kit. Comes with everything you need. It's got 2 quarts and the smaller. How many ounces is this? 16 ounces. And this is OEM Polaris. Okay? Very simple. The hardest part's going to be getting back here to get that oil filter off. But like anything else, I'm using a flex head 3/8 ratchet and a small extension with a cup, and it will take it off no problem. That's it. Thanks.